Seafood mushroom hot pot, a wonderful combination of the fresh taste of the ocean and the purity and sweetness of mushrooms, is an indispensable dish in cozy gatherings. Imagine sitting around a steaming hot pot, chatting and enjoying each piece of fresh, sweet seafood. The sweet taste of mushrooms permeates the rich hot pot broth. This is definitely an unforgettable culinary experience, bringing people closer together in moments of joy and happiness. Let's get in the kitchen.
Ingredients: 150 grams sliced catfish cake, 200 grams fresh tiger prawns, 150 grams squid eggs. Wash the squid and shrimp, drain and steam for about 8 minutes, peel the shrimp and remove the black thread. 150 grams ribs, wash with diluted salt water and lemon, boil briefly, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tomatoes, 1/2 onion, 3 shallots, 3 chopped green onions. 250 grams of various mushrooms including abalone, enoki mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms and king oyster mushrooms. Wash all, boil in boiling water for about 10 minutes. 250 grams of kale, Malabar spinach, wash and drain. 150 grams of fresh vermicelli, 2 packs of noodles, boil in boiling water, remove and place on a plate.
Cook hot pot. Boil water, add spare ribs, tomatoes, onions and shallots for about 7 minutes to sweeten the broth. Next, add a handful of mushrooms and use a teaspoon to scoop each piece of fish cake into the pot. Simmer for about 8 minutes. Add salt, sugar, fish sauce to the broth according to taste. Finally, add green onions and we have a mushroom hot pot.
Enjoy the hot pot. In a bowl, add some vermicelli, some noodles, add seafood, shrimp, squid, some kale, Malabar spinach. Scoop the mixture in the hot pot into the bowl, add green onions and a little black pepper on top to enhance the flavor. Wow, it's so delicious, must eat it right away. Every time we gather around a seafood mushroom hot pot, we not only enjoy a delicious dish but also share memorable moments with friends and relatives. The fragrant aroma of the hot pot, the blend of fresh ingredients create an unforgettable taste feast. Hopefully, the seafood mushroom hot pot will become a great highlight for upcoming meetings, where everyone can enjoy together and create precious memories. See you again at warm parties, full of laughter and love.